Pack your bags. Offering this rarely available move-in-ready floor plan with sunlit main living areas overlooking a peaceful preserve view. Enjoy beautiful sunrises on your large lanai. A prime location, the first community nearby the gates of Pelican Preserve and within walking distance to the town center on the newly rebuilt boardwalk. This low-maintenance condo has it all: impact glass, elevator access to an upper floor, stainless steel appliances, partially furnished. This immaculately maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath plus lanai features updated items to appreciate: recessed lighting, ultra-quiet ceiling fans, blinds, bath updates, framed mirrors, lighting, toilets, new kitchen sink and faucet, newly carpeted bedrooms, solar shade on lanai, UV lamp on air conditioner. Air conditioner 2016. Private storage. Pelican Preserve is an award-winning 55-plus community. The nearby town center has something for everyone to enjoy: 2 resort pools, fitness area, art studio, tennis, pickleball, restaurants, workshop, library, amphitheater, softball, situated within a lush environment with lakes, walking trails and golf course. A separate golf clubhouse membership is optional. Transferable home warranty. This one will not last.